Hello everyone, this is Bala Sahib Tarle. Today we are discussing about the data mining, or sometimes it's also known as KDD. KDD is nothing but knowledge discovery from databases. Here in KDD, first how to data mine, that is data is very important for the KDD process. That is the data. Data is very important. Data mining or web mining or text mining or any mining, or in machine learning. So the data is very important tools. The data is important components, or data you can say that is a very entity. Data in the form of structural, unstructured form. Structural form is nothing but the data is rows and column or matrix form. Unstructured form, data in the images, video, messages, audio, recording, or you can say the not is in a tabular form, as well as data in the social media data is unstructured data. That is a huge amount of data, generally unstructured data. Beginners level data is a structured level, that is classification, email, Google search. These are the classification, or Amazon search. These are the beginner data, that is the structured data. Advanced level data, that's unstructured, that is big data, huge amount data, or Facebook data. This is unstructured data. These are concept of data. Is data, information, then wisdom, knowledge, and then wisdom. And first you have to record the data. According data, you give the information. From the information you get the knowledge, and knowledge is given from the wisdom. These are the all are related terms. Here the definition of data mining. Data mining is referred to extracting knowledge from large amount of data. Or sometimes data mining is extraction of interesting pattern or knowledge from huge amount of data. Huge amount of data. In data mining, knowledge discovery from data, extraction of interesting, non-trivial, implicit, previously unknown, and potentially useful patterns or knowledge from the huge amount of data. Alternative names of data mining is KDD, knowledge extraction, data pattern analysis, data reading, information harvesting, business intelligence. These are the alternative names of data mining. Data quality, or why pre-process the data. Generally, data in multidimensional view, you can in accuracy point of view, completeness point of view, consistency, timelines, and interpretability require data process. Because data in a noisy form. That's what it process. The process of knowledge discovery in databases, you can here show this figure, or you can go this figure. Here in this figure, the KDD, the overall the KDD steps of KDD process. In KDD process, data. First step is a data, or you can say databases. Second is a data warehouses. Third is task relevant data. Fourth is data mining, then patterns, and then knowledge. Knowledges. These are the steps. You have typical database system and data warehouse communities. Data mining plays an essential role in the knowledge discovery process. Here, in this figure, databases, then go to the here, the data sets according data cleaning function of pre-processing tasks will be required. Data cleaning, data integration, sometimes data reduction, data discretization. These are the all tasks will be here in data here, and then all the pre-processed data stored in a data warehouse, stored in a data warehouse. And data warehouse is nothing but the data is subject oriented, integrated, time invariant, as well as non-volatile data. These are the core functionality and based on decision making, management decision making in a data warehouse. The data warehouse generally extract, load and transform the data. And according to the data, you can, in data warehouse, data is stored in subject oriented data. Suppose you want the data for educational purpose, you can, educational data is separate, stock exchange data is separately. Then populations or geographical or medical field or defense field, like that. That is subject oriented data. And data warehouse consists of data marts, OLAP, and HOLAP servers, and there are data marts. And according to cube data, or you can say the multi-dimensional data point of view, this figure, this is the data warehouse is a multi-dimensional cube. According in multi-dimensional cube, you can data access from 3 axes as per your convenience. Then next is step is transform the data. The task relevant data you have to transform the data, pre-processed data here, transform the task. Then here data mining. And data mining, what is the data mining here? In data mining, there are so many algorithms, pattern search is appropriate data mining methods. You can take the decision. Decision is taken on which model or parameter may be appropriate. Then consider the overall criteria of KDD process or match for the particular data mining method is done or not. Here, the data mining tasks like a classification, clustering, regression based on the goal of the KDD process. And data mining is using the representation form or other representation, like again here classification, rows or trees, regression, clustering, association, searching pattern as per the of interest. And then mind pattern, that is pattern evaluation, mind patterns. Here the mind patterns means data in the form of the query in table or charts, or sometimes there is decision yes or no, or label or non-label data also. And then you have the knowledge. According you have the knowledge. And then this is the user point of view knowledge. These are the overall tasks of the data mining, or you can say KDD process. Here data mining engine are used which perform the data mining tasks such all the tasks data mining, that is classification, clustering, association, like that. Knowledge base, what is the knowledge base here? The knowledge base, this is used to guide the search and give the interesting and hidden pattern in the data. And knowledge, according to the knowledge, you get the pattern evaluation models. In pattern evaluation, it is integrated with the mining model, and it helps in searching only the interesting pattern. You have to only the searching for the interesting pattern. For some time, graphical user interface is also required for, that is, this model is used to communicate between user and data mining system and allow user to browse the database or data warehouse schema. In KDT process, a typical view from machine learning and statistics. That is, data mining is from all statistical information. That is prediction based. There is a prediction, descriptive as well as analytical as well as prediction. That is probability based prediction is, and the probability based prediction you have to require the statistic. In statistic, here statistical point of view, data pre-processing, data integration, normalization, feature selection and dimension reductions are required. That is data pre-processing. Then data mining, pattern discovery, association and correlation, classification, clustering and outlier analysis. These are the methods you have to use for pattern discovery. Then post-processing is pattern information knowledge, that is pattern evaluation, pattern selection, pattern interpretation and pattern visualization. This is the machine learning and statistical communities, the data mining. The example for medical data mining, suppose consider the medical field, healthcare and medical data mining, often adopted such as view in statistical and machine learning point of view. Pre-processing of the data includes feature extraction, feature selection, or you can say the dimension reduction. Sometimes you have required the feature extraction, or sometimes you have required feature reductions. That is, important features are taken only, and unwanted features or irrelevant features you can reduce. Sometimes not number of sufficient features are not given, that time you have to require or you have to extract the features. That is, you can use classification or clustering processes, post-processing and for presentation also you can use. Here multi-dimensional of data mining, data to be mined, data bases, knowledge to be mined for data mining functions, technique utilized for data warehouses related machine learning strategy, pattern recognition, visualization, high performance, application, retail, telecommunication, banking, fraud analysis, biodata mining, stock, market analysis, text mining, web mining. Today's scenario, there is no limit for the application of data mining. What kind of data to be mined? Databases oriented data sets and applications. That is relational databases, data warehouse, that is a multi-dimensional data bases, transactional databases you can mine, or sometimes hybrid databases you can also use, that is relational as well as multi-dimensional you can use. Then advanced data sets and advanced application, data streams and sensor data, that is IoT, that's IoT data, that is streaming, news data, you can say live streaming. These are also data. Time series data, temporal data, sequential data, that is biosequence. The human psychological data, you can get a biosequence. Then structured data, graphs, social network, multi-link data. These are data types. Object, relational databases, heterogeneous databases, legacy databases, spatial data, multimedia databases, text data, World Wide Web data. Today is the World Wide that you can say tremendous data is available in the data. These are the types of data are used in data mining. The data mining, there are so many applications of data mining, pattern recognition, machine learning, algorithm, database technology, high performance, visualization, statistics, are tremendous use of data mining application is today's scenario. No limit in data mining application. Then so many data related streams and sensor data application. Application is also no limit in the data mining. Web pages analysis from web page classification, clustering, collaborative analysis, basket data analysis, market basket analysis, biological, medical data analysis, then data mining software engineering for major data mining tools, SAS, MSQL, server data mining tools, individual data mining. These are the some story of data mining.